What's up everyone, welcome to CodeWizNik, the place where coding becomes fun and easy. So before starting the code, we first partition the hard disk. After that, we will be coding. By default, the C drive is already provided and we will partition it. A coder should always partition without touching the default disk. So let's start. In my system, partitions D and E have already been created, and now I will create a new partition named key. So press Windows X and select disk management, or we can type disk management in the Windows search bar and open it. After that, here you will see that partition D and E already exist. Now we want to create a new partition named K. So to do this, click on E drive, then select shrink volume. Enter and next enter the amount of space in MB you want for the new partition and click shrink. After shrinking, right click on the newly unallocated space and select new simple volume and click next, then next again, and now type K as the new partition name. You can choose any name except C as it is already the system's default drive, and click next, then next, and finally finish. After formatting, the new volume is created successfully, and in the next video we will learn how to remove a partition. Thank you.